this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your luxury premier real estate company here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to show you one of my new exclusive listings. We're here in Mar Vista in Playa Flamingo at this home that has these incredible ocean views surrounded by tropical paradise. It's called Casa Jewel, and I can't wait to show it to you today. Casa Jewel is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 5,500 square feet of luxury paradise. Here you've got these big open areas. You've got a beautiful Guanacaste table. You've got a brand new remodeled kitchen, plenty of space to entertain friends and family, and it's a house you're going to enjoy living outside as well. Casa Jewel is a luxury masterpiece. You've got travertine floors, these huge vaulted ceilings, and you've got plenty of open spaces. Here is where you can have a dance floor, or you can even put a pool table. This kitchen is a chef's dream. You have 2 ovens, a gas range, and plenty of space on the countertop to work. Casa Jewel has these incredible, huge wraparound balconies. Here there's space to soak up the sun, relax with your friends and family, enjoy a meal, play cards at night, enjoy this beautiful Pura Vida life we live here in Costa Rica. There are some gorgeous pieces of artwork here. I love this blue one. I especially love the Malou piece at the front door. Come check out the master bedroom with me. Casa Jewel hired an interior designer to help pick all these beautiful features. Here in the master, it's so spacious. You've got a Guanacaste wood bed, you've got a Malou painting, these wicker lamps, and I love this. This is where you'd find me working. Check out this amazing view. You can see the ocean, the islands, all the tropical plants, the mountains. It's so incredible. If you're at your desk working, or it's the middle of the night and you feel like taking a skinny dip, you've got this door, you can head right outside to your pool. Can you hear the sounds of the green parrots? This is such paradise. Here at Casa Jewel, this is one of the biggest swimming pools I've ever seen in a personal home. You also have a jacuzzi right here you can enjoy day and night. Casa Jewel comes with 3 guest bedrooms. This home would be perfect for a family or a vacation home. Upstairs you have 2 bedrooms, and right to the left of the stairs you have quite a large bedroom with an ensuite. Come check it out with me. The upstairs guest bedrooms have queen beds, they have Juliet balconies, and they share a bathroom that has a shower and a bathtub. Casa Jewel comes with a 2-car garage, and it's a completely walled-in property. It's very safe and secure. Check out this retaining wall. It's so high and it's volcanic rock. Just to the right of the pool, there are steps down to this enchanting garden. Here you'll find all kinds of fruit trees, mango, lemons, limes. You'll also see a lot of palm trees. Just below the pool, there's this beautiful grassed area. Here would be great if you had dogs or kids or you want an extra garden. This property is 5,000 square meters. That's 1¼ acre. It actually goes all the way down to the road. There's space to build another guest house if you want to just below. One kilometer from Mar Vista is this beautiful dark sand beach called Playa Brasilito. We call this secret beach. Not a lot of people know it's here. It's calm, it's great for swimming, fishing, snorkeling, a great way to enjoy the day in Costa Rica. Casa Jewel is a 5-minute drive away from the brand new Flamingo Marina. Here you'll find boats in the bay, great restaurants and shops, and just around on the other side, you'll find the white sands of Playa Flamingo. This place is a place you'll want to come to. Casa Jewel is located in the Miramar side of Mar Vista. Here in Mar Vista, you're going to find tennis courts, pickleball courts, a restaurant with a pool. You'll also find hiking and biking trails, 24-hour security, and at the front of the development, there's a school called La Paz. This is a fabulous place to call home, whether you have kids, whether you're retired, or whether you just want a vacation in this beautiful lifestyle. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties in Costa Rica, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com. There's a whole section on Mar Vista, so make sure you check that out. Subscribe below if you want to see more videos like this, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida.